Supreme Court, which is all set to install a new Chief Justice a little later in the year. Justice Ranjan Gogoi, who is currently the senior-most judge on the Supreme Court, is all set to become the next Chief Justice of India.
He will be appointed on the formal recommendations of the current Chief Justice Dipak Mishra. Justice Gogoi was one of the 4 judges who held a press conference in January highlighting their problems with the way the Supreme Court is being run by CJI Mishra.
We're set to see history being scripted because he would become the first justice from the northeast of the country,
Absolutely.
in fact, to hold that position. Meenakshi Bhanja now joins us on the phone line. So Meenakshi, thanks for joining us this morning. Explain to our viewers a little bit about Justice Gogoi. It would be history, of course, if he does get elevated, as your sources are telling you, to take over from the current Chief Justice Dipak Mishra.
Well, there is a little bit of a background to why it was being suspected that there could be trouble with the appointment of Honorable Justice Ranjan Gogoi. Our viewers will recall distinctly he was one of the judges in the 12th January 2018 press conference, which saw 3 other sitting justices of the Supreme Court for the first time ever in the history of the Indian judiciary speak openly about what they felt was more need for better administrative function of the present Honorable Chief Justice of India. Now, as is precedent, whenever an outgoing Honorable Chief Justice of India retires, it is customary or traditional, as part of judicial precedent, for him to recommend the name of the forthcoming Honorable Chief Justice of India, who is the second senior-most judge in the Supreme Court at that point in time. So yes, because of this past couple of skirmish areas that we have seen Honorable Justice Gogoi speak very candidly his thoughts on, there was a popular perception that there could be some trouble that his appointment could run into. However, yes, highly placed sources within the Supreme Court have clearly indicated that in all likelihood it will be him whose name will be recommended by Honorable Dipak Mishra, who is the present Chief Justice of India, just 1 month ahead of when he is slated to retire.
Right, Meenakshi, thanks for joining us. And we do hear that Justice Gogoi will take oath of office on Gandhi Jayanti on the 2nd of October, but he will just have a tenure of 1 year, 1 month and 14 days because he is also set to retire on the 17th of November 2019. Meenakshi, thanks for joining us.